I'm going to show you how you can easily get stickers fast in Monopoly Go. First, open Monopoly Go on your mobile device. Next, make sure to collect and claim rewards regularly as you play. These rewards often include stickers that enhance your gameplay experience. Then tap on the album icon located at the bottom right side of your screen. This is where you can view all your collected stickers and see what you still need. Here, you will find a variety of stickers you can collect. Tap on any sticker that you want to send or exchange. After that, tap on Send to Friend. This option allows you to share stickers with your friends, which can help you complete your collection faster. Now select the friend you want to send the sticker to, and make sure to turn the toggle on for Make an Exchange. This feature allows both of you to benefit from the sticker exchange. Finally, tap on Continue to send the sticker. By exchanging stickers with friends, you can quickly accumulate the stickers you need.